Good morning, student. I'm your little school teacher. Today, Wednesday. Are you all happy? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Hope you all doing well, right? Today, we are going to see the max lesson in greater than and lesser than and equal to. Before that, we have to recall the last class. Yes. In last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember? Yes. In last class, you have seen the my house, my school, currency, coins, national symbols, right? So, we have to just recall that. My house, my house, house, drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, study room, and then my school, classroom, laboratory, library, playground, auditorium, and currencies. 2000 rupee note, 500 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 1 rupee note. Then coins. 10 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee, 50 paise, 25 paise. Then national symbols. National emblem, national flag, national flower lotus, national animal tiger, national bird peacock. Yes. Then we're going to see the greater than, less than and equal to, right? Here we already see this, right? Okay. Greater than, less than, equal to. Here the symbol is greater than. Greater than means this part. It is the greater than, it is smaller than, and it is equal to. It is equal to. Here, see, they give two animals, right? Horse, cat. But here they give 4 horse. Yes, let me count. 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 horse, and here cat 1 and 2. 2 cat, right? Here counting is here higher counting of horse. Here less than counting of cat, right? Here 4 horse. 4 horse is here and 2 cat is here. So, which one is higher? Which one is greater? Here horse. 4 horse. 4 horse is greater than. So, we have to use the symbol like that. Okay. It is greater than. It is greater than horse. Less than cat. Less than cat. It is. The sharp is, it is smaller. So, it is bigger, right? So, it is greater than and it is less than. Cat 1 and 2 cat is there. So, it is less than animal. It is greater than animal because it is 4 horse is there, right? So, next let me count the mangoes and apples. Here see, one, one, two, three. Three mangoes is there and apple. One, two, three, four, five, and six apples. So, which one was greater than? Here 3 and here 6. So, 6 is the biggest number, right? Compared to 3, 6 is the bigger than. So, it is the greater amount of apple is here. So, we have to like that. We have to greater than is in front of apple, right? Here see, dogs and mice, right? Mouse, one. Here first dog, 1, 2, 3, 4, and mouse, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here both animals to be equal, so we have to like equal symbol. This is the greater than, this less than, and it is equal to. It is equal to. And then we have to practice it. Okay. Count and put the sign here. Greater than sign, less than sign, and equal to. It is 3 signs they given, right? So we have to count the objects and we have to put the correct sign in the box, right? Here 1 apple, 1, right? 1 and 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. So which one is greater than? Here 3 mango is greater than. So we have to put a sign greater than for mango, smaller than for apple. And here ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 ice creams and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 ice creams. Which one is greater than, which one is smaller than? Here 5 ice cream is the greater than and 4 ice cream is the smaller than, right? Then here they give lime, right? And then they give fruit, lime, right? Let me count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8, right? And then 1, 2, 3. Only 3 objects is there, right? Here let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Which one is greater than, which one is small than, less than? Here this side is greater than and this one is less than, right? And then they give the objects, wood objects, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 objects they given and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also they give 6 objects. So it is equal. Here also 6. Here also 6. Right. So it is equal to. It is equal to. We have to put a sign like equal to. Okay. Students, are you all understood? And then put the correct sign. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Here see, they give number. We have to find which one is less than, which one is greater than, and which one is equal to. We have to find. Okay, students, here 6, 11. Which one is greater than? Here 6 is smaller than. So the sign is smaller than. And 41, 32. Which one is greater? Here 11 is greater. Sorry, 41 is greater. Here 11 is greater and here 41 is greater. And then 2019. Which one is greater? Here 20 is greater than 19. 20 is greater than 19. And 3341. Which one is greater here? Here 33 is less than, 41 is greater than. So 41 is 33 is less than 41. 33 is less than 41. And 12 is equal. This 12 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. And then 5566. 5566. Here 55 is less than 66. Less than 66. And then 3527. Here 66 is the greater than, right? 3527. 35 is greater than 27. 35 is greater than 27. And the next 80 and 70. 80 is greater than 70. 80 is greater than 70. 39, 64. Here 64 is greater than, right? So 39 is less than 64. And then 29. 29, 36. 36 is greater than, right? So 29 is lesser than, 29 is lesser than 36. And then 29, 38. Students, are you all understood? You have to put a correct sign. Greater than 38. And then 44, 46. 46. 29 is lesser than 38. 44 is lesser than 46. 60 is lesser than 70. 44 is equal to 44. 44 is equal to 44. 77 is greater than in 69. 77 is greater than 69. Then 82, 72. 82 is greater than 72. 65, 56. 65 is greater than 256. And then 29, 29. 29 is equal to 29. 54, 45. 55 is greater than 45. 16, 61. 16 is less than 61. And you have to do, okay students, you have to do, this column is for your homework. You have to do which sign is correct, this number, okay. Put the correct sign like less than or greater than or and or equal to. You have to write this columns. This page is your homework, okay. You have to do this column only. You have to do at homework, okay, at your home. Then 78, 76. 78 is greater than 76. 76 is less than 78. 67 is less than 76. 90 is the greater than 89, right? 68 is less than 86. 51 is equal to 51. 89 is less than 98. 49 is equal to 49. 49 is less than to 94. 32 is greater than 15. Okay, you have to do at your own. You have to do the homework. Okay, students, don't forget. And next, what comes before the number? Here they give dash and number. We have to find before number of 12, 28, 36. We have to find the number and write it in the blanks. Right? 12. Are you all know the 1, 2, 3, right? Numerical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 before the number is 11. 11 is the before number of 12. 28. 28 before that 27. 27. 36 before that 35. 35. 44 before that 43. And 66 before that 65. 69. 69 before that 68. 70. 70 before that 69. 82 before that 81. 81. 96 before that 95. And last one 94. 93. Yes, I'll give one clue. Okay, if they give before number, right, we have to write the first letter in all the dash and 3 before that 2. So 3, we have to write 3 and 3 before that 2. 32 like that 4 and then 5 before that 4. 44. 5 before that 0. Yes, it is 50. Are you all understood? Then 63 before that 62. 71 before that 70. 83 before that 82. 87 before that 86. 92. 91. 99. 97. See, 100 before that 99. Yes. Let me read it again. What comes before the number? Before means 12 before the number 11 like that. 11, 12, 27, 28, 35, 36, 43, 44, 65, 66, 68, 69, 69, 70, 81, 82, 95, 96, 93, 94, 32, 33, 44, 45, 50, 51, 62, 63, 70, 71, 82, 83, 86, 87, 91, 92, 97, 99, 99, 100. Yes. Then, students, are you all understood this passage? Then what comes after the number? Here, what comes after the number? After. Already we have seen before the number, and then we have to find the after the number. 9 after 10. 9 after 10. 26 after 27. 26 after 27. 15. 15 after 16. 33 after 33. 34. 43 after 40. 44. 43 after 44. 39 after 40. 17 after 18. 72 after 73. Then 45, 46. 26, 27. Then what comes between the number? Here before that, before number we can see, and then after number we can see, right? Here they give between the number, between. 6, they give 6 dash 8. In between 6, between 8, which number it's come? It is 7. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Like that. 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. 87, 88, 89. 87, 88, 89. 33, 34, 35. 33, 34, 35. 28, 29, 30. 28, 29, 30. 66, 67, 68. 66, 67, 68. 42, 43, 44. 42, 43, 44. Then 98, 99, 100. 98, 99, 100. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. Next 80, 81, 82. 80, 81, 82. Today we have seen the before the number and after the number and in between two numbers, right? Students, you have to practice well again and you have to do your homework. It is must, okay? Then only you are all understood and or not understood, right? You have to do your homework and practice the greater than, less than and equal to, and then you have to practice again before the number, after the number and in between the number. Okay students, let's start the class next day. Okay students, thank you. Keep safe at your home. Thank you.